The story begins one fateful night. It's sure to give you quite a fright. On a child's evening on Halloween, no trick or treat to be seen. There on the curb a paper lies, the pizza sundae recipe to his surprise. Upon reading the paper his eyes grew. The child knew exactly what to do. He ran back home, turned his computer on, and asked video game meals to make him one. The recipe resides below. Like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the show. Ice cream by electric whisk is where we begin. Double cream and condensed milk, put them in. Whisk for 3 minutes on medium speed. Once it's thickened, we will proceed. Divide up into bowls of 3. Add the flavors correspondingly. Mix them up with great care. Place them into Tupperware. Freeze for now, and next we must make a start on the crust. Butter and biscuit we combine in a food processor until fine. Place into a greased pie tin, not too thick and not too thin. 15 minutes at 190 degrees C, and when it's baked, cool completely. This is where the fun begins. We start to add the fillings. Strawberry first, that is key. Add marshmallows, spread evenly. Into the freezer, there it goes. The next step is as follows. 10 minutes later, remove from the chiller. In this close-up, we add the vanilla. Then it goes back in the freezer. Could this recipe be any easier? Add chocolate chips, just a sprinkle. Now the chocolate layer, it's just that simple. Once it's frozen completely, cut and plate. Top with cream and cherries, that's great. There you have it, a Halloween treat. Eat it slowly, it's very sweet. Thanks for watching to the end. Share this video with your friends.